So, anong pakiramdam mo na yun nga, talagang hindi lang dito ha, kundi I think the whole world talagang nag-react dito sa international na kumbaga sa ano, reaction dito sa cover niya sa FHM.
Yeah, like I said on Twitter, especially to those who don't have Twitter, if you're watching, I want to apologize to everyone who was offended by the cover of my FHM issue. We didn't intend to hurt anyone. Of course, when you're trying to make a magazine, you don't think of racism as a topic, and that's not what we had in mind. So, I'm sorry to anyone who's offended by my FHM cover.
Oo. Um, nung pinakita sa iyo ba yung question peg nung pictorial na yun, hindi mo rin naisip na baka may mag-react?
No, I don't know. Kasi personally, I haven't thought about racism that much since
Oo.
I've never dealt with it. I've never executed it. So it's not something that I'm very much aware of also. I have to admit I'm not that much aware of racism. So when I saw the pegs, it was very tasteful. And the article kasi I think is what's more disconcerting to the people. Yun yung talaga napansin nila yung title ng article. And
Stepping out of it.
stepping out of the shadows. But if you read kasi the article inside, that's what the title is for. So, there's nothing wrong also with the title if you get to read the article. But it's okay kasi everything's been changed now. We have a different photo for the cover and we have a different article, a different title. So everything's been changed. So just to clear up air also.
So you're still on the cover?
Yes, I still will be on the anniversary issue of FHM in March.
Oo. Pero gaano ka ka-daring doon sa mga iba pang pictorials?
Well, kailangan yung bumili ng copy ng FHM para malaman niyo kung gaano ka-daring si Bella Padilla doon.
Pero open ka na sa mga ganun daring roles kung sakali.
I think yung last role ko po for season, that was daring enough. So for TV, that's as far as I can go. Pero for print, also, this is the farthest I can go in FHM muna. And I guess it's, I gave lang my full trust to them. Kaya ako nagawa yung ganung cover. Kasi maganda naman, very tasteful yung pegs. So okay.
Sa movie,
Sa movie siguro kung gano'n rin kalayo yung inabot ko sa season, yun muna.
ay hanggang doon na lang muna.
Opo.